Hello and thank you for joining me. Today I will be, as you can see in this image, I will be doing a coaster. This is actually a bit of a combination of some wood burning and some painting, because I don't do a whole lot of painting and I would like to get a little bit better in that area. So let's begin. To start with, I just create a circle on the Cork Coaster by using another coaster, and then going around that with the preheated wood burning iron. It is a little bit of a janky circle, but it is pretty easy to fix up just by going around it a little bit more and thickening out that line. So after that, I'm just lightly penciling out some features that I want to burn in. We're doing a smiley face, so that's pretty simple eyes and mouth. The cork itself is actually fairly easy to draw on. It's probably a lot easier than the sample wood that I had been using just to try it out. There are a couple of times where it does get a little bit stuck on little bits in the cork mix, but overall pretty simple. This is just a cheap wood burning kit that I picked up recently just to try it out. And I don't know if it's a cardinal sin to paint over your wood burning art. I'm not too into the wood burning community just yet, but hopefully this doesn't get me banned. As you can see, my yellow is a little bit gross, has been sitting in the cupboard for quite a while, but I do really like the tone, even if I do get it in his eyes a little bit. Just trying to fix that up. Overall, the cork is actually pretty easy to paint as well, so it makes for a pretty soothing little project. And with the combination of the wood burner and the paint, you can make just about anything you'd probably want to. This one is probably going to get busted out when my niece comes over, just to give her something colourful to aim for with her drinks. We don't want water rings on our nice tables. That's why we use coasters. As I'm going through this, I'm realizing that it's starting to look a little bit like a tennis ball with the texture of the paint and the cork, but that's okay. Who doesn't love a smiley tennis ball coaster? Even though I'm not much of a painter, I am pretty impressed with the majority of my lines. I think I did a pretty alright job. But the brown paper that I put down is just fantastic to help keep the work area clean, as well as putting some of the paints on it, because once you've put them out, you can mix them like I will in just a moment. Painting over the wood burned area probably is taking away some of that effect that it has, but I did want to neaten it up just a little bit because it was looking a little bit how you doing. Just mixing up some nice pink here for his mouth. Came out a little bit brighter than I probably wanted, but hey, bright colours. A little bit more line work just to give it a bit more of a defined edge. Again, might defeat the purpose of the wood burning, but it is what it is. And with the brown paper, you can mix that paint to your heart's content. I actually am very impressed with that shade of purple I got. I think it's really nice against the yellow and the pink, and that's not something I would have probably chosen, so can't complain about that. Overall, this was a really fun little project to work on, and I can definitely see myself doing some more of these down the road. thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you around.